Hi, I'm Mike. Thank you for purchasing the EdgeStar Kegerator. This unit's easy to assemble and requires just some basic household tools. Let's get started.
Lay the unit on its back. Use a flat washer on the front two holes of the unit and attach the casters. Then, screw in the remaining two casters. Remove the plug from the top of the unit. Now attach the railing by lining up the rail with the existing holes and pushing down. Drop the beer line down into the fridge and line up the adapter with the slots on the top. Twist clockwise to lock into place so the faucet faces forward. For twin faucet setups, line up the tower gasket, then drop down the beer lines one at a time into the refrigerator. Attach the 4 screws to the base of the tower. Next, attach the faucet to the front of the tower, tighten by hand, and then use the included faucet wrench to secure into place. Mount the tank holder to the back of the unit by lining up the holes and then push down into the slots. Slide the CO2 tank into the holder, then attach the regulator to the tank. Next, slide the gas line onto the bottom of the regulator and secure with a hose clamp. If the air line is difficult to install, dip the end of the hose into some hot water to soften up the line. Remove the plug from the back of the unit and slide the air line into the refrigerator. Slide a hose clamp on the other end of the air line and connect the air line to the side of the coupler. Again, if this is difficult, use the hot water method from earlier and secure with a hose clamp. Now install the washer to the top of the coupler and screw the hex nut at the end of the beer line to the top of the coupler. For twin faucet setups, attach the air line from the bottom of the T to the regulator. Then the remaining 2 connections will attach to each coupler. Place the drip tray on top of the kegerator. Set your unit upright for 24 hours before plugging in to let the gases settle. Then, enjoy!
Hi, I'm Mike. Thank you for purchasing the EdgeStar Kegerator. This unit's easy to assemble and requires just some basic household tools. Let's get started.
Lay the unit on its back. Use a flat washer on the front two holes of the unit and attach the casters.